We do indeed, Arbele. Thanks so much for that. We're joined now by the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. Your Excellency, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
We're here live at the COP27. A lot of commitments and talks that you've been having over the last 24 hours. But before I get to that, I have to ask you, your former Prime Minister Imran Khan, he is accusing your government, essentially, of going after him. Is that true? Can you give us any guidance on what your response might be? Because at this point, this is a man who's saying you're shooting at him to kill.
As far as Mr. Khan is concerned, a few days ago now, there was a firing incident at a political protest that he was leading, in which he was injured, a couple of other people was injured, and unfortunately a political worker was killed. So I'd like to start by unequivocally condemning this act of political violence. As I'm sure you're aware,